Do you know many people are having trouble with unlocking their Panasonic washing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Turn on machine. Step 1. Press and hold the on button for 5 seconds until the lights turn on. Step 2. Press on repeatedly. Step 2. Repeat pressing and holding the on button for 5 seconds 4 more times. Step 3. Cancel the lock. Step 3. Once you have done this 4 times, the lock will be canceled. By following these steps, you should successfully unlock your Panasonic NA-S96FG1 washing machine. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Panasonic users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.